Listen to me now.
I can't make this shit up. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the challenge. Your boy Robbie here, YouTubeN Budget, back with another video. So today, guys, we will be installing the panoramic roof. I don't know what series this is, but I bought the panoramic roof a couple days ago. I drove all the way halfway to Orange, Texas to meet up a guy from Louisiana, and I bought that move. So right now I'm about to take this damn headliner apart. Oh shit. Take the headliner off so we could, my boy will come over and help me, assist me with the actual roof, guys. And we're gonna get this mug going and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, stay tuned for that. I need not lose all these damn bolts though. That's what I don't need to do. Put all these bolts in this damn glove box. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Yeah, I can't wait. Boy, the interior, guys. The interior gonna be something else. Oh shit. Bitch ain't coming off. Oh, it's another another screw. Oh, that's crap. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. Ooh, shit. That bitch cracked in half. You think this is factory, bro? Oh, that shit. There it goes. Look at that shit. That bitch is 41 years old, bro. Yeah, 1981. Bro, what is all this shit? I ain't never seen that before. Oh well. All right, guys. Now we finna start cutting. So we didn't have. Oh, I can't tell them the secret, right? Okay, I can't tell y'all the secret. Yeah, I can't tell y'all the secret. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm leaving the cutting shit to them, and I'm sticking with the mechanic shit. Look at this. Watch this shit, guys. Watch this. This shit's sketchy as hell. Sketchy as hell. That shit is so fucking sketchy, bro. That shit's sketchy as hell. Shit, that shit's so damn sketchy. Alright, so off of that, completely take this controller with the oh, so that's the spot where the coilover goes, where this thing is at. Oh, okay. So I'm about to take this lower control off, and then I'm gonna, who the hell? All right, guys, I'm nervous as hell. So all I have to do is guide the line. Take, but should be fine. All right, that was halftime. Now we're in the third quarter. So, come to this side, guys. Guys, I don't know if y'all ever done this crap. This shit is nervous as hell. It make me nervous as hell. Because if you gotta measure like 20 million times and cut right the first time, right? If I fuck up. If I mess up, what could I do? Nothing? Damn. All right, here we go. Sit here and watch me. Let me see them. The cuts are pretty straight though, if y'all can see. I didn't do a bad job. It's just these turns is the hardest part. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. What's up, dude? Oh, appreciate it, man. Hey, I'm raffling it off. I'm raffling it off, $25. It has airbags. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys, so didn't get a chance to finish the roof. It's getting dark and mosquitoes is biting the heck out of me. But I did get everything. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. Not that one. Let's see if y'all can see. So I got the roof cut out, as you can see. So on the most part, everything is good. So how I'm gonna do mine, guys, I'm going to weld it on the inside. I'm not welding it on the outside, but I'll weld it on the inside after screwing it down. There's some other stuff we're gonna do, but it's kind of top secret how to keep it from cracking. So the reason why I'm not a fan of the weld from the outside, guys, because if you don't do it right, now this is just me speaking, guys. Like, I really don't know everything, but everybody got one, but the reason why I'm not welding it on the outside, fuck, bro, I was looking for these and they was right here the whole freaking time. The reason why I'm not welding on the outside, because you can't weld, it's gonna warp if you weld it all the way around, right? It's gonna warp, so I don't want it to warp, first of all. And then the other thing is, I am gonna have speakers and subs in my truck, in my car. So eventually the weld is gonna break, and then once one weld break, they all break, because once one weld break, they all break. So that's just how it goes. It's just like a chain reaction. Man, these mosquitoes, bro, that's why I'm not finishing. That's why I'm not finishing. I don't like mosquitoes, bro. That's just hard. Oh, you know what? I need to give Corey back his battery. So hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so with that being said, I'm not gonna weld it on the actual I'm not gonna weld it actually on the actual outside, so just gonna drill it and do something else. It should stay, because we did this in my scat pack. If y'all remember, I had a panoramic roof from a scat pack. That came from a CTSV. But yeah, these videos is gonna be like all over the place, man, because I honestly don't have that much time to be working on my car myself, and I try not to use up all my off days. I only have one. Sometimes I only have one off day a week. Sometimes I have 2 off days a week, and I'm not trying to use all that on videos and stuff, man, because y'all know I gotta spend time with the family. That's just how it is. I'm checking the mileage on this truck. 275. Alright, so I'm thinking about selling the truck, guys, so that's why I'm taking pictures of everything. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about it. Like I said, thinking about it. Thinking about it. Oh my God. In my own lane, doing my own thing.
That's all, folks.